Okay, so hello my dear friends guys, myself Dipen Srivastava and today I am back to my channel. Welcome all of you guys. So, without wasting our much of time directly, let's begin to our video and let's learn that today something about CUET exam. Yes guys, CUET exam preparation techniques. What tricks are here and how to involve tricks in our life, how to involve techniques in these type of exams. So guys, today we are going to cover tricks, techniques, syllabus, how to justify it, how to clarify it, each and every in one video. Okay, so that's how you can say it's a type of all-in-one video. Alright guys, so the exam name CUET, we all know this exam very well guys. I'm not going to telling you the exam dates, the exam form, application form, administration form, and results, declare how result, okay, admit card, not like this. We are not here to discuss all of these dates and all. You can do by yourself, because today we are here to discuss which type of topics are going to come in the exam. Okay, so guys, see with the exam, first of all, if you are from any of the stream, first this video is for PCM stream students. Okay, alright, so PCM stream guys, first of all, you have appeared JEE exam or not, that doesn't matter, because if you really want to do BSc in any specific subject like physics, chemistry, math and all, so guys, from a central university or a higher ranked university like Delhi University, because every student, most of the students' dream is Delhi University, otherwise Banaras Hindu University, Jamia Millia Islamia and all. Okay, so if you really want to go in this type of university, you should crack this exam. Okay, because it's a type of eligibility criteria. Okay, and that doesn't matter also that which category you are currently, because we also know that reservation category, non-reserve category, the percentage is alright. Okay, so by the way guys, let's directly begin PCM, because today we are going to talk about PCM. Okay, PCM, everybody have clear 11th, 12th, okay, with good marks, non-good marks, that's up to you. I have no any idea regarding this, okay, but according to my experience, it's good. Okay, so you have choose PCM, you want to do BSc in one of them, physics, chemistry, maths, you want to become a PhD professor, what exactly you want to do on it. Okay, so alright guys, the number one is P, means physics. So guys, there are lots of topics present in physics, but today we will talk only the important topics, okay, the most scoring topics, alright, because there are lots of topics present. I know these all are important, but most important thing is here. I'm going to writing something, okay, so take out your notebooks and write with me what exactly I'm going to writing it here. I hope the board is visible to you. Okay, chapter number 1 is electrostatic. Electrostatic. Okay, so guys, electrostatics are chapter. Do you know what exactly we are going to read in this electrostatic chapter? Guys, electrostatic chapter we will read electric fields, about the charges and electric fields, potential, capacitance, okay, electrostatic potentials, electrostatic capacitance and all. Okay, so these all we will cover in this. Okay, the next chapter is current electricity. Current electricity. So guys, in this specific chapter, current electricity, we are going to cover electric current, resistance and laws, applications. Very very important law is Kirchhoff's law. It's a crucial law. Okay, so I'm going to writing it because most of the questions are coming from this law. Okay, Kirchhoff's law. Yeah, Kirchhoff's law. Yes. Okay, double H. Alright. So guys, Kirchhoff's laws is a type of laws where applications, numericals also provide, okay? And we will gonna cover this law very clarification, okay? Very clarity, very clarifications. All of the scenarios you have, we will conclude it, okay? And we will, what else? Make their solution, okay? So, the next chapter is magnetic effects of current and magnetism. Magnetic effect, okay? Magnetic effect of like current, magnetism, okay? So magnetism is also present. Moving charges, guys. Electrons moving, neutrons, protons, how they move. We all read in it, okay? We will read each and every points in this magnetic field, okay? So, a type of magnetic effect, how its effect, how current is a part of this magnetic effect, what is magnetism, north pole, south pole, each and every points we will cover, okay? Magnetism and matter, very crucial topic by the way. The next one is electromagnetic. These both chapters are interconnected to each other, okay? First we will read magnetism, after that we will gonna read electromagnetism, okay? What exactly electromagnetic is? Introduction, induction and alternating currents, okay? So here we will read the principles also, because alternating current circuits principles are also present in here, okay? Induction principles, that's all. The next one, guys, we will read electromagnetic waves, okay? I will not write each and every one. Only important points: electromagnetic wave, electromagnetic waves. Okay, the previous one is also important, so I will write it. Magnetic, okay? Magnetic effect. Magnetic effects already present, okay? So, next is, guys, electromagnetic waves. Here we will cover about the properties of electromagnetic wave, okay? Because properties is very crucial for this. It's a theoretical chapter, okay? Numericals are much low. Okay, the quantity is much lower, alright? The next one is, guys, optics. Guys, optics is one of the easiest chapter, okay? Optics is one of the easiest chapter of this, okay? Ray optics, optical instruments, wave optics, all are very easy, okay? The next we will read dual nature of matter and radiation. Dual nature of matter and radiation, okay? Dual nature of matter and radiation. We will complete it, okay? Alright, guys. The next one is very crucial chapter. Most of the scoring chapter is atoms and nuclei. And I'm going to writing it in a toughest way. Here, guys. Atoms and nuclei. Okay. This is L, guys, okay? So, guys, this is one of the most scoring chapter, okay? One of the most scoring chapters where we will read atoms, molecules, nucleus, for exactly these all are, okay? Next one is, guys, I will speak directly. Surface chemistry we will complete, okay. These all are in chemistry, okay. So, guys, after atoms, nuclei, we are going to complete electronic devices, okay? Electronic devices is supposed to be logic states, logic gates, semiconductor, electronics, what is conductor, what is insulator, these are, okay? The last one is communication systems. Not so important, but we will complete it, okay? Also. So we will complete these all. Physics is atoms and nuclei is also part of physics, okay? We all know that this is a part of chemistry where we will read atoms, molecules, but is also present in physics, okay? That is why, guys, I am saying interconnection between the chapter. How physics is related to chemistry, how chemistry is related to mathematics, and how mathematics is related to physics. That's how the interchanging between all of them, interconnection between all of them is the major thing, okay? It's not called minor, in fact it is called the major one. Alright guys, so that's about physics. I'm gonna roughing in this side I will write again. Here I will write, I can write. Not a big deal. Let me erase some of the points. Current electricity is alright. So guys, here I'm gonna writing about chemistry important topics, okay? Most scoring and most important topics of chemistry. Okay, so one of my favorite subject by the way is chemistry guys. According to chemistry and according to me, solid state guys, maybe ये आपके सिलेबस में कट होगा, ओके? 11th-12th में ये आपके सिलेबस में कट था. I don't think आपने पढ़ा होगा solid state, but just for a knowledge, okay? At least you should have a knowledge on it regarding this, because solid state तो CUET के एग्जाम में आते हैं, okay? So solid state. Second chapter is solution. गाइस, ये मैथ वाला सॉल्यूशन नहीं, ये मत समझना कि केमिस्ट्री का सेकंड चैप्टर सॉल्यूशन है तो मैम को लगा होगा कि सॉल्यूशन है तो मैथ के सॉल्यूशन से कनेक्टेड है. नो, ओके? सॉल्यूशन इज एक्चुअली अ चैप्टर. सॉल्यूशन इज अ टाइप ऑफ मिक्सचर, homogeneous, heterogeneous mixture, and lots of mixture are present here. Okay? All right. Next is guys chemistry. All right, electrochemistry. Guys, सुनने में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाली फीलिंग नहीं आ रही आपको इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री में? ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे हम इलेक्ट्रिक पढ़ रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री. That's how. Here in this electrochemistry chapter, guys, इस चैप्टर में हम पढ़ेंगे फिजिक्स का केमिस्ट्री से क्या रिलेशन है, ओके? रिलेशन बिटवीन फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री. वी विल रीड इन इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री, ओके? नॉइस इक्वेशन यहाँ के बहुत फेमस है, नॉइस इक्वेशन. ऑलराइट. केमिकल काइनेटिक्स, द नेक्स्ट वन इज केमिकल काइनेटिक्स. मोस्ट स्कोरिंग चैप्टर बाय द वे दिस इज. सरफेस केमिस्ट्री. सरफेस केमिस्ट्री ये थ्योरी के लिए बहुत जानते हैं. जो हमारे चैप्टर है सरफेस केमिस्ट्री, ये चैप्टर हमारे थ्योरी के लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा फेमस है, ओके? जनरल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ प्रोसेस ऑफ आइसोलेशंस ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, नॉट सो इम्पोर्टेंट, बट मेथोलॉजी वी विल रीड. मेथोलॉजी, अबाउट मेथोलॉजी के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे, ओके? बिकॉज गाइस मेथोलॉजी इज वेरी क्रूशियल टॉपिक, दैट इज व्हाई मैं डबल टिक लगा रही हूँ यहाँ पर, ओके? मोस्ट स्कोरिंग P block elements, P block, D block, okay? F block elements के बारे में भी हम पढ़ेंगे. So guys, these are, मुझे कहने की जरूरत नहीं है कि ये important topics है, because आपको पता ही होगा इनके बारे में अच्छे से. Coordination compound, very easy chapter, okay? Coordination compounds, one of the most easy and one of the most scoring chapter also. Guys, से आप easily score कर सकते हो, okay? Because बहुत ही easy है ये. It's really very much easy chapter. Guys, आगे के जितने chapters हैं वो actually सच में बहुत ज़्यादा easy हैं. Hello alkenes, hello alkenes. Hello बोलो सबको guys. Hello alkenes and arenes, okay? हाइड्रोकार्बन के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे इसमें, okay? Alcohol, phenol, ethers के बारे में. Alcohols, okay, so guys, alcohols, phenols and ethers के बारे में, okay? We will read. And और क्या guys? Aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid, इनके हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं guys इन्हें? Aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid, carboxylic acids. How can you forget all of this? You can't forget now. Okay. Or guys, biomolecules. Oh my god, amazing chapter. Biomolecules. The next one is guys organic compounds containing nitrogen. यहाँ guys मैं लिख रही हूँ organic compounds containing nitrogen. Guys also. Okay. The next one is guys polymers के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. By the way, polymers and biomolecules are a type of interchanging connection between both of them. Okay. And the last one is chemistry in everyday life. जो ये भी आपका चैप्टर है आपके सीबीएसई बोर्ड के एग्जाम में आई एम 100% श्योर कट होगा, राइट? कट था एक्चुअली. केमिस्ट्री इन आवर एवरीडे लाइफ. सो गाइस ये कुछ हमारे पॉइंट्स है, चैप्टर्स है. क्या बोला मैंने? पॉइंट्स. ओ माय गॉड. ये these all are our chapters, very easy topics, chapters which is chemistry topics. Okay, ये सारे हमारे केमिस्ट्री के चैप्टर्स हैं. And guys, physics, chemistry, that's all right. And here we are going to complete our mathematics. Mathematics के लिए मैंने एक अलग से कॉलम बनाया है. Okay, so guys, mathematics में ज़्यादा कुछ तो नहीं है. ओह क्या बोल रही हूँ guys, मैं ज़्यादा कुछ तो नहीं है, इतना सब कुछ तो है बच्चे. ये है. Okay, so guys, mathematics में relations and functions है. functions. Okay, फर्स्ट चैप्टर रिलेशन फंक्शन. इसमें तो थ्योरी नहीं है. ओके, सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स ही. मुझे बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है बार बार कि इसमें कितनी थ्योरी होंगे, कितने न्यूमेरिकल्स होंगे. अपना माइंड लगाओ ना. मैथमेटिक्स है, कॉमन सेंस वाली बात है. ओके, अलजेब्रा मोस्ट कंफ्यूजिंग चैप्टर बट मोस्ट इजीएस्ट चैप्टर. ओके, कैलकुलस. बस कैलकुलस में बहुत ही बच्चों को दिमाग खराब करके रखा है. आई नो वेरी वेल. कैलकुलस से ना बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट होती हैं. ओके, 3D ज्योमेट्री, 3D ज्योमेट्री. टेंशन मतलब वेक्टर्स क्लियर. ज्योमेट्री वेक्टर्स. ओके, लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग. हाउ कैन यू फॉरगेट दिस चैप्टर? लीनियर इक्वेशंस 10th क्लास में बहुत पढ़ा होगा ना आपने. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. और ये पाइथागोरस में आता है वो तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का बात है. घबराओ मत, वो भी है. ट्राइगोनोमेट्री भी है हमारे सिलेबस में. लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग. ओके, सो आगे हमें मिलेंगे वो भी. प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, दैट्स ऑल गाइस. ट्राइगोनोमेट्री कहाँ गया? इतना अच्छा सिलेबस, इतने अच्छे चैप्टर गाइस. अब गौर ने कहा कि बच्चे से इतना नहीं हो पा रहा, ट्राइगोनोमेट्री को क्यों ही आ रहा है बीच में. क्योंकि अगर ट्राइगोनोमेट्री आ गया ना तो इन सबकी बैंक बजा के रख देगा. वो अलग ही चैप्टर है ट्राइगोनोमेट्री. ओके, इसलिए वो नहीं है आपके सीईटी के एग्जाम में. सीईटी के एग्जाम में गाइस ओनली दिस इज इनफ फॉर सीईटी एग्जाम. ओके, सो guys, we will gonna complete each and every topics all in one video. Okay, मैं हर एक टॉपिक्स के लिए सिंगल वीडियो बनाऊंगी. अगर पार्ट वाइज हुए सो उनके लिए प्लेलिस्ट बनाऊंगी अलग से. ऑलराइट, फॉर द बाय द वे फर्स्ट आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सॉलिड स्टेट. बिकॉज गाइस सबसे पहले हमें उसे कवर करना है जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक है. ओके, सो नॉट डिफिकल्ट, मे भी कुछ बच्चों के लिए डिफिकल्ट है, कुछ के लिए इजीएस्ट है. ओके, सॉलिड स्टेट को हम कंप्लीट करेंगे. ऑलराइट, वन बाय वन. एंड देन फिजिक्स also start. Physics will start. Relation and function will start one by one, slowly. Okay, yes. So solid state, solution, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, methodology, P block, D block, F block elements, coordination, compound, haloalkanes, haloarenes, these all are. Okay, alcohol, phenol, ether, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, biomolecules, organic compound containing nitrogen, polymer, chemistry now, day-to-day life, these all. Okay, we will all complete this. Each chapter, electricity, current, electricity, magnetic effect, electromagnetic wave, optical, matter and radiation, these all. Okay, atoms and nuclei, relation function, algebra, calculus, geometry, vectors, linear programming and probability. Statistics कहाँ गया? Okay, statistics not present here. Okay, probability is enough for you. Alright guys, अब आ रही है बुक सजेस्ट करने की. कौन सी बुक लें, किससे पढ़ाई करें? एनसीईआरटी की बुक से हो जाएगा क्या? ओके, सो हो जाएगा. आपके पास एनसीईआरटी की बुक है, हो जाएगा। बुक भी नहीं है, गाइड है, कुछ भी है ना, कुछ तो है, फोन है, हो जाएगा इजिली, नॉट अ बिग डील। ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द बुक आई विल सजेस्ट यू RS अग्रवाल मैथ्स बुक। ओके, बिकॉज गाइस मैथ्स के लिए एक तरह से कहते हैं ना दवा है वो। RS अग्रवाल इज द व्हाट इज मेडिसिन। RS अग्रवाल की बुक मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगी। ओके, बिकॉज गाइस इनकी बुक माइंड ब्लोइंग, अनबिलीवेबल, कमाल की बुक है इनकी। ओके, सो RS Agarwal book I will suggest you for mathematics especially, and for physics and for chemistry I will suggest you book, but in our next class, not right now. Okay, so that's all guys. Okay, so guys, let's meet directly on our next video. Then keep coming, keep learning, and keep getting exploring with me. That's all guys. Bye bye.